Hello, seniors. Dr. Anika here, and today I want to share a secret that most people don't know, even if you exercise every day. Eat plenty of protein, and take your supplements faithfully. Your muscles might still refuse to grow if you're retaking the wrong vitamins at the wrong time. That's right, many seniors do everything by the book and yet wake up sore, tired, and frustrated because their muscles aren't repairing properly overnight. You've probably heard that magnesium is the key to muscle growth. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. Forget magnesium, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal 2 vitamins you must take at night to grow muscle while you sleep, and they work faster and better than magnesium ever could. Plus, I'll share practical tips, easy meal strategies, and real-life examples of seniors just like you who finally started seeing results. And later, in part 2, I'll also show you 3 supplements you should never take at night if you want to maximize recovery and keep your muscles strong. Why nighttime muscle growth matters. You see, your muscles do most of their repair and growth at night, especially between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m., during the deep sleep phases. This is when your body releases growth hormone, repairs damaged fibers, and converts the protein you ate during the day into new muscle tissue. Seniors often struggle with this because age naturally slows down these processes, and many unknowingly take vitamins that interfere with sleep and hormone release. Think of it like building a house. You can have the best materials and a skilled team, but if the foundation isn't solid, the house will never be strong. Your deep sleep is that foundation. Without it, your muscles cannot grow, no matter how much protein or exercise you do. I've seen this hundreds of times with my patients. Take Margaret, an 87-year-old retiree. She exercised regularly, drank bone broth, and even took protein shakes, but her strength kept declining. It was until we looked at her nighttime vitamin routine that we found the culprit and made a small change that had a huge effect. Vitamin D3, the nighttime game changer. Let's start with vitamin D3, which is my second best nighttime supplement, but don't let that fool you. This vitamin is absolutely essential for seniors wanting to build or maintain muscle. When you take vitamin D3 before bed, something incredible happens. Your vitamin D levels activate receptors in your muscle cells called VDRs. These receptors tell your muscles to absorb calcium and phosphorus from your meals. These minerals are critical for muscle fibers to contract properly and grow stronger. But that's not all. Vitamin D3 also signals your body to produce more testosterone during sleep, which helps your muscles take the protein you ate and turn it into new tissue overnight. Without enough vitamin D, this repair process slows down by up to 60%, leaving you tired, weak, and frustrated. Studies back this up. Harvard researchers followed 400 seniors with low vitamin D for 8 months. Those who took daily vitamin D3 gained an average of 2.8 pounds of muscle, compared to just 0.4 pounds in the control group. Even ancient warriors understood the importance of vitamin D. Vikings consumed cod liver oil during long winters when sunlight disappeared, keeping their muscles strong and bodies capable of survival. So how should seniors take vitamin D3 for maximum effect? First, take 2,000 to 4,000 IU with your evening meal that includes healthy fats. Your body absorbs vitamin D best with fats. You can also get it naturally from foods. 4 ounces of grilled salmon provide more vitamin D than most people get in an entire week. Roasted mushrooms with rosemary, mashed sweet potatoes with grass-fed butter, or even a teaspoon of cod liver oil mixed into a salad dressing are excellent options. Finish your dinner with a glass of fortified milk, and you'll be delivering your body over 500 IU of vitamin D with healthy fats, perfect for overnight muscle repair. One of my patients, Harold, an 82-year-old retired teacher, started adding cod liver oil to his salads and a small glass of milk at night. Within weeks, he reported waking up feeling stronger, less sore, and with better energy to move throughout the day. Zinc, the muscle repair activator. Now, vitamin D3 alone is not enough. To truly maximize nighttime muscle repair, you need zinc. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormone, but this hormone cannot function without adequate zinc. Zinc directly controls over 300 enzymes responsible for rebuilding muscle tissue while you sleep. When zinc levels are optimal, these enzymes stay active for 6 to 8 hours, repairing and growing your muscles. But here's the problem. Over 40% of seniors are zinc deficient, which slows muscle repair by up to 60% and blocks the body from effectively using dietary protein. University of Michigan researchers studied 120 zinc-deficient seniors for 12 weeks. Those taking 20 milligrams of zinc daily increased muscle protein synthesis by 34% and recovered 40% faster from exercise. That's a huge difference, especially if you've been exercising faithfully but not seeing results. Zinc also helps transport amino acids directly into your muscle cells, where they are assembled into new fibers. How should seniors take zinc? A 15 to 30 milligrams capsule with a full glass of water 2 hours before bed works best. This timing ensures the zinc is available during the deep sleep phase when growth hormone peaks. Some seniors make the mistake of taking zinc too late, after dinner or with calcium supplements, which can interfere with absorption. Pairing zinc with vitamin D3 is a perfect combination. Vitamin D3 primes your muscles to absorb minerals, and zinc activates the enzymes that actually repair and grow muscle fibers. I've seen patients transform their recovery in just a few weeks with this simple pairing. Practical tips for seniors to summarize. Here are some easy tips to make the most of vitamin D3 and zinc at night. Timing matters. Take vitamin D3 with your evening meal containing fats. Take zinc 2 hours later with water. Food first. Incorporate natural sources like salmon, mushrooms, sweet potatoes, fortified milk, and cod liver oil. Consistency is key. Daily supplementation works best. Occasional use won't produce the same results. Avoid interference. Don't combine zinc with calcium-rich foods or other minerals at the same time they compete for absorption. Track your results. Keep a journal of strength, soreness, and energy. You'll notice improvements in as little as 3 weeks. After focusing on vitamin D3 and zinc in part 1, many seniors feel stronger and notice less soreness, but here's the truth. Taking the wrong supplements at night can completely undo your overnight muscle growth. Even if you've been diligent with vitamin D3 and zinc, certain vitamins and compounds can interfere with deep sleep, hormone release, and protein synthesis, which are all critical for repairing and building muscles while you sleep. In this part, I'll guide you through the 3 supplements you should never take at night, explain why they hurt muscle recovery, and share bonus tips to supercharge your nighttime muscle repair. B-complex vitamins, the silent muscle saboteur. Let's begin with B-complex vitamins. These are often taken for energy, metabolism, and nerve health. And many seniors believe they're harmless at any time of day, but taking them at night can actually reduce your muscle growth. B-complex contains nutrients such as B6, B12, niacin, and riboflavin that stimulate your nervous system. They increase alertness, raise your heart rate slightly, and rev up your metabolism. While this is helpful in the morning, at night it keeps your body in awake mode, which is the last thing you want when your muscles are supposed to be repairing. Muscle growth occurs during deep sleep, when your body releases growth hormone, repairs damaged fibers, and converts protein into new tissue. If your nervous system is still activated by B-complex, your body spends less time in slow-wave sleep, and this crucial repair phase is shortened. Margaret, an 87-year-old retiree I worked with, experienced this firsthand. She was exercising faithfully and taking B-complex after dinner but still losing strength. Once she moved her B-complex to morning with breakfast, she noticed better sleep within a week and regained 2 pounds of lean muscle in just 3 weeks. Research supports this too. A 2019 sleep medicine review found that seniors taking B-complex in the evening experienced reduced melatonin production, delayed deep sleep, and fewer restorative minutes, all of which slow muscle recovery. The takeaway: B-complex is a morning vitamin, not a nighttime one. Vitamin C, the antioxidant misstep. Next is vitamin C, another supplement commonly thought to be safe at any time. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant praised for immunity, skin health, and healing, but it can interfere with nighttime muscle repair. Here's why. During sleep, your muscles require a small amount of oxidative stress to trigger growth hormone release and repair pathways. This mild stress signals your body to rebuild fibers damaged during the day. Taking vitamin C at night floods your system with antioxidants, which can blunt these critical signals, slowing muscle protein synthesis and delaying recovery. Vitamin C is also mildly stimulating. It increases norepinephrine, a chemical that keeps you alert. Seniors who take it at night often report tossing and turning and shorter deep sleep cycles, meaning less time for muscle repair. Harold, a 79-year-old retired teacher, was taking 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C every night with his dinner broth. Despite careful diet and exercise, he felt weaker each week. Moving vitamin C to the morning improved his sleep, reduced soreness, and within a month, he regained lost strength. The lesson: take vitamin C early in the day, never at night, to allow your muscles to repair efficiently while you sleep. Caffeine, the hidden muscle breaker. Finally, caffeine. Most seniors associate caffeine with morning coffee or tea, but it can also sneak into pre-workouts, fat burners, or multivitamins. While it boosts focus and energy in the morning, caffeine at night is a muscle recovery disaster. It stimulates the central nervous system, raises cortisol, and blocks adenosine receptors, which signal your brain to sleep. Without this signal, falling asleep becomes harder. Deep sleep is shortened, and growth hormone release declines, directly impacting muscle repair. A 2020 study in nutritional neuroscience tracked 160 older adults for 10 weeks. Participants who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more lean muscle than caffeine-free seniors. Despite identical protein intake and exercise routines, in my clinic, Gloria, an 81-year-old retired nurse, faithfully consumed collagen broth in the evening but wasn't seeing gains. We discovered her fat burner supplement contained 150 milligrams of hidden caffeine. Once she removed it from her nighttime routine, her sleep improved dramatically, and within a month, her hand grip strength increased by 19%. The takeaway: keep caffeine strictly in the morning and check labels carefully for hidden sources. Bonus nighttime muscle recovery tips, now that you know which supplements to avoid. Let's talk about bonus strategies to maximize nighttime muscle repair. First, consider collagen timing. Collagen is rich in amino acids that repair connective tissue and muscles. Taking collagen 30 to 60 minutes before bed helps your muscles rebuild overnight. Pair this with protein-rich dinner meals to ensure your body has the building blocks it needs. Sleep hygiene also plays a huge role. Seniors should dim lights an hour before bed, avoid screens, and maintain a cool, quiet bedroom. Gentle stretching or a short evening walk improves circulation and primes muscles for repair. Hydration is important, but avoid drinking too close to bedtime to prevent waking up at night. Small habits like foam rolling or a warm shower can relax muscles, reduce soreness, and signal your body it's time to switch into repair mode. Tracking progress is another secret. Keep a simple journal of sleep quality, soreness, and strength. With consistent vitamin D3 and zinc supplementation, avoiding B-complex, vitamin C, and caffeine at night, and applying these recovery hacks, you'll notice results within 3 to 6 weeks. Seniors often report waking up with less stiffness, more energy, and stronger, firmer muscles. For overnight muscle repair, take vitamin D3 and zinc at night, and avoid B-complex, vitamin C, and caffeine close to bedtime. Combine these strategies with collagen, protein-rich meals, and proper sleep hygiene to maximize recovery and build strength. Drop a comment below telling me which vitamins you've been taking at night. I read every comment and love giving personalized advice. If you're serious about building strong muscles and staying independent, check out my 30-day muscle recovery meal plan, featuring over 90 high-protein collagen-rich recipes designed to maximize nighttime repair. Link is in my pinned comment or description. And here's a sneak peek for tomorrow. I'll reveal a clinically proven secret to building leg strength that can increase muscle activation by 34% without any exercise at all. Hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss it. This is Dr. Anika helping seniors build stronger, healthier muscles while you sleep.